Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. It's Monday morning. It's 6:15 in the morning. Temperature is -4 and winds are gusting up to 40 kilometers an hour. Yes, we had another snowstorm. And as you can see right now, as we speak, tractors are on the street. Gaetan is pushing his is going to work. You're about to see me doing another. Oh boy, another Mahindra, outstanding Mahindra 20S HST tractor snow blowing video. All right, so stick around. Oh boy. The funny part is they were calling for snow, then they were calling for rain, and this morning, snow. Oh boy, and the bays, we're going back to work at 10 o'clock because they need to clear the snow on the bays, and the road conditions are not ideal. So they even have school closing up here, so yeah. Alright, so let's have fun. Alright, stick around. Cheers. Alright folks, one thing that I thought, it's been a while since I changed one of those, it's tough to see, a Shearbolt. I'm just gonna take the time to just disconnect one, just to see if the shaft, there's no greasing point on this snowblower. So stick around, I'm just gonna, oh boy, we have the right size. Yeah, it's 12 millimeter, but it's 14. Just hold on, stand by. Alright, so let's do that. I got that one here. Right away. Oh. It's better to have the Shearbolt broken and I have the differential broken. That's what you need to know. All right, I'm just gonna squeeze this. All right, now is that thing is spinning? Oh yes. So it's not rusted. That's what I want to make sure. And I see no corrosion, like from the hole there. There's no rust in there, so that's what I like to see. That thing is spinning very well. All right. Now since it's open, I'm just gonna throw some oil in there. Thing is I put oil on both sides here. So I'm gonna do doing a subject video later on, like at springtime. The important thing of oiling things, definitely. I'm just gonna fill up with oil. Make sure it's all oily. Oh yes, I can see, like it's very smooth. So it pays to oil things, all right? But please do make sure that your shaft is not corroded. I know Kubota, they have a zerk point here, the grease, but oiling is good too. And like you can see, I move it side to side freely. So I'm very relieved about that. Yeah, definitely. So I'm just gonna put it the same way. Remember, there's a tip about that. Make sure that this is not aligned like this. You need to have each side opposite like that. All right. So right now I'm just gonna put it the same way than it was basically. I'm just gonna remove my vice grip. All right, make sure it's right, the right hole. Somewhere in there. There we go. And it's all oily, so that's one you want to make sure. Just 10 minutes maintenance when you have the proper tool. And but oiling is very important. But for the Shearbolt, like I told you, you rather have the Shearbolt broken than the main differential. It's less expensive. I learned that lesson the right way. Well, what am I doing, Dave? No excuse this time. I had my coffee and very nice 8 hours night sleep. And yeah, not too much overtime. All right, so you don't want to have this differential broken. All right, you rather have the Shearbolt. So I'm very happy. I ain't gonna do the other side. It's gonna be another subject of the video, but saying that, outstanding. So stick around. All right, folks. So like you can see, I have snow around at least 4 inches of snow, and now I'm gonna clear my car and put it on the street. And the snow plow didn't even pass, so stick around. Got to mention is yesterday we received 2 inches of snow, and it was no windy, but I passed the plow. So yeah, it was pretty windy. All right.
Para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
Asking me how long is my tractor with my boat implement on, so I'm just gonna measure it right now. So I'm measuring in front of the plow. It's 14 feet and 6 inches from, just hold on, from the beginning of the side, all right, where I'm pointing at, all the way to the rear, right there. It's 14 feet and 6 inches. All right, so stick around. Yeah, I forget to check if I was filming, but the reason the guy was asking me how's the turn radius, like this is less than 15 feet from the corner there to there. So the turn radius of my outstanding Mahindra tractor is it's marvelous. All right, stick around. All right, folks, things are warming up here. I don't know if my video is working, so stick around. All right, cheers. All right, folks, so I just changed the battery. The wind, as you see here, are starting to pick up again, and trust me, holy smoke, that was a surprise storm, because we never expected that much snow in so short of time. And the city, and the other reason why I plow the street is the city takes sometime up to 12 hours. The last snowstorm, it began in the morning. They plow at 1 o'clock in the morning, so that's almost 24 hours later. So and I know I don't have a 4x4, it's a Corona, but I have a standing knocking tower, knocking tires. All right. It's also making great for great actors in my videos, so yeah, definitely. But still -3 now. Just for last update, tomorrow is going to be rainy according to them, but it's the -20 on Wednesday night, and then the temperature go up. So we're on the up and down swing mode. The cold winter man is fighting the nice light-footed spring looking lady. All right, so all right, thank you very kindly for subscribing to my channel. Comment, leave, share, whatever you do. As long as you like it. All right, take care of yourself, and remember, folks, life is good with an open cab tractor. Cheers. Good day, gentlemen and ladies. We're Tuesday today, the 17th, so that's St. Patrick. Happy St. Patrick Day. I know I will publish the video tomorrow, but it's just a follow-up of the video. So basically on Sunday night and until Monday morning, we had a lot of snow, as you just witnessed and you just saw the video. Now Monday all day was raining, just above the freezing mark. Last night until this morning it was +7, and basically a little bit of wind and a lot of rain, so a lot of stuff melt. You see that, you can see all icing, all the snow that we receive almost melted. But now what's happening is, since starting this morning and all the way to midnight tonight, we're gonna go to -20 degrees Celsius. That's 4 Fahrenheit for you good folks. For the rest of the world, we don't use the Celsius system. It's 4 degrees and wind gusting up to 80 km/h, so feel like -38 Celsius, close to -40 Fahrenheit. So yeah, that's gonna be definitely, I'm gonna light up my stove tonight for the first time since 2 days. So that will be the end of my video about the second snowstorm that we had in less than, well, in short period of time. And we had a lot of snow squall today, so yeah. So again, thank you very kindly for subscribing to my channel. All the nice comment, share, and also remember, folks, life is very good. All right, cheers.